To make panoramic photos in Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you will need to open your camera app, move to the right to enter Panorama, and then you'll be able to lift your phone. Make sure that the circle right here and the lines are stable, and then I'm actually gonna put a few objects onto to the scene so that it doesn't lose that focus. And now we can start taking a photo. Hold your phone onto the dot, and then you will see dots on the left and right. Move to one of them and keep your camera stable. Then you can stop taking a photo after at least one of those dots completed, and that way you'll be able to make a panorama photo. Wait until it's finished, because sometimes it just takes a few seconds to finish. In this background, which is blue, it doesn't work. It's best to take panoramic photos of something like a landscape or etc. But that's how you can take them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.